So today we're going to look at how to install the GridWorld case study for AP Computer Science. In my web browser I'm just going to find AP Central webpage, AP Central. I'm going to go to course homepages and hopefully we'll find AP Computer Science A. There it is. Click on the link and we're going to go and find the GridWorld case study. There it is. Now when we open the case study page we need to download the code. So click on that and hopefully that will automatically download onto your computer. I'm just going to open the folder so I can see the zip file, and I'm going to copy that into my own area. I'm not going to unzip it yet. So I'm just going to copy that and I'm going to put it, where am I going to put it? Let's go to my computer. I'm going to go into my drive and I'm going to make a new folder called my GridWorld. Up to you what you call it. I already have one because I've already done this, so I am just going to do this again. So I'm just going to make a new name for this. My newer GridWorld. Okay, cool. And I'm just going to paste my zip file into there, double click on it, and let's unpack it. So to unpack a zip file, just go to Extract to and find the folder that we've just made, which was my drive, my newer GridWorld. That's the one. Okay, and it will unpack everything, and then I can close that, and there we go. We have the GridWorld code folder. GridWorld code. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to JCreator and I'm going to start a new project in this folder, my newer GridWorld folder. So File, New, Project, and let's just browse for the folder that I want to work in, which is my computer, John Watson, my newer GridWorld. Okay, and I'm going to call this GW1. This is my GW1 project in my newer GridWorld folder. Next, next, finish, and finish. Brilliant. So if I go back to my new GridWorld folder, I now have a GridWorld 1 folder with some class and source files. So let's go back to my project in JCreator. I'm going to go to Project, Project Settings, and I'm going to go to Required Libraries, New, Add an Archive, and I'm going to browse for a file that is in the folder that I just unpacked, GridWorld code, and it's this GridWorld jar file. So we're going to do that. We're going to give it a name. I'm just going to call it my GridWorld jar. You don't really need to understand what this is about at the moment, but give it a name and we'll do OK. And that's the one that I want to use, my GW jar, so we're going to do OK. Now then, this is where it gets interesting. Let's just go back to my folder, and I'm going to go into the GridWorld code folder for a minute. I'm going to go into Projects. I'm going to go into First Project, and I'm just going to copy that file, and I'm going to paste that into my source folder for GW1. This is my project. Source folder, Control V, there's bugrunner.java. Now I'm going to go back to JCreator and see if I can find it. It's not there. Let's just see if we can refresh. There it is, bugrunner. Just going to open that, build it, and run it. And here we go, we should get the GridWorld program to open up. It takes a moment, and there it is. Let's click run. Okay, see if you can get that working.